Hi, this is Nikki from Serene Education doing some trade analysis on the Euro-US dollar. After playing around and having a look at a couple of strategies and different time frames, I put together this particular template that I thought that I would share with you as it shows some interesting information. Having a look, we've got our 5-minute chart, our 15-minute chart, hourly chart, 2-hour, 4-hour and daily. Now something that should stand out straight away here is we've got a sell signal on each one of these time frames. Let's take a closer look. Having a look at the 5-minute chart here, we can see that price has been moving in a sideways direction, which we would expect on a Friday afternoon. But at the end of the day, we saw price with a big candle down, closing below the 50-day moving average, indicating now that price was changing direction and had chosen its trend to the downward side. The 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart, we saw a massive downward move in the morning. Afternoon, from 3 o'clock onwards, it seemed to do a pullback back up to a 50-day moving average. Have a look over here. We can see what we call an engulfing pattern. Small candle followed by a large downward candle. This candle is engulfing the previous candle, which is what we call an engulfing chart pattern. The fact that it has happened on an area of support and resistance here being our 50-day moving average, it's giving us a stronger indication that price is now actually bouncing off that resistance and moving backwards in a downwards direction. The hourly chart, we've seen price make a move down, a pullback, and now we're seeing it contemplating but looking towards coming back in a downward direction again. The 2-hour, big move down, pull back to the moving average, the 200-day moving average. It tried to come back, it couldn't break through, and it bounced back off again. The 4-hour, we've had a move, price broke through both the 50 and the 200-day, came smashing down. We saw what we call a flag pattern, a pullback and a breakout, and it's continued to move down. This over here could have given us some concern that price could change direction. However, the next candle over here confirms that it's continuing back down again. And lastly, our daily chart. We see it come back to test that 50-day moving average, unable to break, it's bounced back off again with a big bar followed by another big bar on Friday. Going back to the 6 screens that we've got here now, we can see on each and every one of them we have a sell signal and a downward move. Every single one of these is trading below both the 50 in the purple and the 200 in the green moving averages. Very interesting trade setup. I encourage each of you to have a look at this. Please make sure that if you do take this trade, you do it based off your own analysis, and we wish you all the best of luck. Happy trading.